A little birdie told me that early bird tickets for the CFAL Pension and Economic Conference ends on September 5th, and they're only $150. That means the early bird registration deadline is only 1 week away. Time is running out to lock in your spot at the best rate. Why wait and pay more later when you can save now and still enjoy everything this conference has to offer? From world-class speakers and global insights to real-time discussions, networking, and even exclusive perks, this is the financial event you don't want to miss. So take it from Little Birdie. Register today at www.cfal.com/CFALPEC before early bird tickets fly away.